holding on to what I know.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I arrived at this color. This color is actually a 613 and a color 30 that I mixed together. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this color. So I just went ahead and mixed the 613 and color 30 together. You just continue to mix till you get the color blend that you're looking for. So I just continue mixing and mixing and mixing till I got the color that I was actually looking for.
I don't wanna keep on wasting.
I'm not actually sure what color it turned out to be, but it turned out to be a very nice color. After I finished mixing the color, the 613 was a little bit the brightness was reduced with the color 30 being blended into the 613, so it reduced the brightness. So I'm not exactly sure what color it turned out to be. If you know the color, let me know in the comment section, and and just let me know in the comment section. I just continued blending the colors together until I got the actual color you guys saw at the beginning of this video. So I'll let you guys just continue watching, and I'll see you guys at the end of this video.
All I wanna do is live it up with the homies. Everybody really talking as if they know me, but I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
So combing through the hair will help you determine if both colors have mixed properly together or how you want the colors to be mixed. I wanted it to mix the colors more because there was still like a bit of color 30 showing through the 613 as it wasn't mixed properly. So I just continued mixing and mixing till I achieved the color that I was going for.
What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head. Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. This shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the wind and rain. I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with the assumptions.
I'm just combing it out for the last time. As you can see, I have combed it out and I've blended it a lot more, as the hair is looking well blended now. So I just kept blending and blending till I got the color that I wanted.
But I guess I gotta face it. I'm so tired of being faceless.
I don't wanna keep on wasting life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life.
And I just combed it out a little bit more because, as you can see, the color has really mixed well together, and that was how I ended up with this color. Let me know what you guys think of this color. I'm not exactly sure what color to call it, but I have made sure I blended the colors really well, and this is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and please don't forget to like this video, comment, share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Check out my next video with the hair I made with it. See you guys.
Don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated.